Okay, I just sent and shared with everyone a coaching learning walk form, and it should look like this. So when someone's been in your room and we fill that out, this is what you'll see. And then if you'll notice over here on the far right, the yellow part, it'll include any follow-up information after we have a conversation, any kind of plan, and like when follow up. So we'll go over that as we have those individual conversations. So everyone should have had their form that was shared with you that looks similar to this. Okay, if you aren't sure how to create a folder in your Google Drive and you want a quick place to be able to reference back to the Learning Walk form, I'll show you a really quick and easy way where you can always access it. So when you open your drive, it may look like this. If you'll go ahead and open your drive, if you'll click the, I'm going to get out of all those. If you'll click the new, and you're going to create a folder, and I'm going to just title this Learning Walks. And then you can see where the Learning Walks came into my drive right here. So if I click on it, it's empty. Okay, but if I want to go ahead and add something to my Learning Walk folder, like here was the Learning Walk form, what I would do is you're just going to take that and you would drag it over to your Learning Walk. It's actually going to have to be a form, but you would see it right here if you click shared with me. So here's something that maybe was shared with me, and I'm going to drag it over to the Learning Walk. Say it was Adopt a Kid, and I'm going to drag it over to the Learning Walk folder. I'm not going to actually do that right now because then people that have it's been shared with, it would be moved. So you would just add it to your Learning Walk form. So hopefully that's helpful and you'll be able to access it back quickly. If you have any questions, please let me know.